Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the old barbecue trucker. In this video here, we're going to cook chicken legs and chicken thighs. And I'm going to tell you something. Whew, did they turn out delicious. I'm telling you, even from my standard, which my standards are high when I cook. But there was no injection, no brining. I just rubbed down each piece of chicken with rub that I decided to use. I can't even remember which one I used right now. The secret one. But anyway, and like I say, no brining, no injection. Put them on the pit, and I melted down some butter and seasoned it with garlic and and the rub. Lightly seasoned it, and I used that to baste it throughout the cook. Mix some barbecue sauce with it there at the end, and some people will heat up their barbecue sauce before they'll thin it down like that. A lot of people will thin it with apple juice. I like thinning it with that butter mixture that I had, and I don't heat it up. I just put it right out of the refrigerator in there. That makes the butter clump up and all that. That's fine though, because then when you put it on the meat, as you'll see in the videos, once it gets hot, it just melts and just runs over and makes a nice glaze. And that chicken did turn out. That meal was delicious. I'm talking about really delicious. But that's what's coming up on this edition of the Barbecue Trucker. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. If you don't like it, push the down button, but leave me a comment as to why you didn't like it. It can help make my videos better. I'm not going to beat you up or anything, but if you don't leave a comment, it's like I've said before, then I figure you're just one of those trolls that goes to people's channels and clicks the down button getting your jolly. So that's about how much store I'll put in that. Okie dokie. Sit back and enjoy these video clips of the barbecue trucker here smoking some delicious chicken. Okay, enjoy that. We'll be back for the conclusion here in a minute. Here's your boo. Okay, as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs seasoned, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 thighs. They are fixing to go on. Watch, we're going to swing around. The old pit boss. That's what we're going to do this time on the barbecue trucker. Barbecue chicken legs and thighs. Be back soon. Well, hello, we're back. Weren't gone that long. We got the old Pitmaster. It's heating back up. I got it set on 250. Just put them in there and got the probes in and all that. So look what we got going here. That's going to be some good chicken rubbed down, and I've got some melted butter that I seasoned that I'm going to be bringing out and basting it with throughout the cook. So barbecue chicken, poblano rice. It's going to be rice, white rice with a jar of Parmesan poblano sauce mixed in with it, and corn. That's what we're having for supper tonight. All right, oh boy, she's firing on up. You can hear it. You can hear it here on the barbecue trucker. We'll be back here in a little bit. Okay, let's open up the pit and see what we have right now. Oh yeah, look at there. I just had melted some butter and seasoned it, and I just basted them with that butter. Look how shiny they are and glistening. All right, barbecue chicken. That's what's for dinner tonight.
Okay, believe it or not, I just now figured out how to get the light to come on while I'm taking a video. What I've done right here is I've taken some barbecue sauce and had a little bit of the butter mixture left over that I've been basting it with. Now I'm going to just lightly coat it with that barbecue mixture for the final deal. I'm going to do one side, turn them and do the other side, then I'll show you what we got. Right back here in a minute on the barbecue trucker. Okay, I got the glaze on it, as you can see. It's a little bit clumpy because the barbecue sauce was kind of cool when I put it in with the butter, but that's quite all right because as that heats up, it'll thin out and just run off and run over, and all the delicious goodness is going to just be nice and glazed on each leg and thigh. And we like our legs and thighs to be nice and glazed because we like it to glaze. Okay, I'll quit being silly. Bye-bye. See you in a little bit with the finished product. Okay, and we're back with the barbecue trucker. Already turned off the old pit boss. The fan blows until it gets the right temperature. Let's just hope that I can fit all this chicken in this one little bitty pan. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful, y'all? I'll tell you what, this is going to be slap your daddy delicious. And we're not going to get it all in this one pan, I don't think, but it's all right. Come out with a plate. Okie dokie, y'all get the picture. Chicken's ready. We're fixing to eat. I'll take a picture of my plate and show you. And then we'll be back in a little bit on the barbecue trucker. Thanks. Okay. Hey, look, y'all. I got it all in the pan. Ain't that cool? Alrighty. We'll be back here in a minute on the barbecue trucker. Upcoming stuff on the barbecue trucker, such as barbecue sauce. We're going to make the barbecue sauce that everybody seems to love. It's award winning. I use it on practically all the meat I cook. We're also going to do beer butt chicken. We're going to do Dr. Pepper butt chicken, Coca-Cola butt chicken. We're going to do competition style ribs, brisket, and competition style chicken, which will be done in several different ways. And according to the Lone Star Barbecue Society and the International Barbecue Cookers Association, two of the sanctioning bodies that I cook at, you have to cook a half chicken, and the wingtip has to be on it. So we'll do that. Now in CTBA, Central Texas Barbecue Association, and I know this drives a lot of the cooks crazy, but I kind of like it. For the chicken, for all the meats, you turn in sample pieces cut that are already cut, because I just use toothpicks in the judging, and you put a show piece in with the sample pieces. So chicken can be cooked. You can cook your breast. What I do is I put half breast, half thigh meat in my box, and I put a chicken breast and a thigh, in coordination, at above the samples as my show pieces. And that way I can cook them at different times and they're all perfectly cooked the way I want them, which most of the time I don't have a problem with the half chicken either. The white meat does get done quicker, but if you know how to keep it moist, that's the key to it. But anyway, those will be coming up on the barbecue trucker.